It's the one and only Sean Land, property expert. I'm here to show you another project that we're doing in North London. And if you check the condition, yeah, that's exactly why we're gonna make a stupid amount of profit on here, because this is actually gonna be going down here and up here to make the frame. This is gonna be fully redesigned. You're probably thinking, what's that over there? Well, bathroom right here, family bedroom here. Look at the amount of space that you have here. We're gonna have wardrobes all in here, guys, where this is gonna be, you're not gonna be ready for this room, I'm telling you. If you wanna get involved in properties like this, you can. All you gotta do. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's the one and only Sean Land, property expert. I'm here to show you another project that we're doing in North London. And trust me, if you want to get involved in projects like this, it's actually closer than you think. Drop me a DM, write me a comment, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do a turnkey solution just like this. And do you know what? There's nearly £1 million profit in this deal. We've actually bought these from a probate case. And if you check the condition, yeah, that's exactly why we're gonna make a stupid amount of profit on here, because we're here to fix this property up and make it ooze luxury. We're gonna be putting new floors down. This is actually gonna be a nice family home. Yes, buy to let's dead. So when you're doing flipping, there's still some opportunities out there for you to get involved. That's a bit of a drop. Guess what we need to be doing? We need to put in some steel frames underneath that to support these floors up here. We're going to be having a bedroom stroke. We're going to be having a double lounge up here, maybe an office area. Downstairs, we're going to be having a kitchen and diner, but I can't wait to show you the finish, but it's not going to be one of them click and you've seen it, because we've just started this project. I want you to see what it's like going through massive projects like this. Follow me to the garden. This is gonna be fully redesigned. You're probably thinking, what's that over there? Well, we're gonna have an outbuilding out here. It's probably gonna be blocked up, rendered, and a nice usable room in this property. Over here, guys, we're gonna be having some bifolding doors. The structure is actually gonna be coming out a little bit more. As you can see, the frame is already there. Them steel beams that I was talking about, look how thick they are. This is actually gonna be going down here and up here to make the frame in between partitions, guys. And this is purely because these joists, 8x2 timbers, are gonna be sitting on here. It's gonna be about 5 meters across, and we're gonna have another steel timber frame around this side. So that's gonna be all supporting the upstairs. We're also gonna have a potential bedroom down here, guys, but don't worry, that boiler is not gonna be around here. We're probably gonna stick it into this room. Put a nice mega flow system, and we put this into all of our luxury homes over 3 floors, so there's no loss of pressure when you're having that shower. Before we go upstairs, guys, I'm just gonna show you the little bit of outside of the building. We've actually got black hoarding out here. Builders normally do this purely because they wanna advertise their signs. I'm joking. This is all to do with health and safety. We don't want anyone coming into the property. We always put one of these lock safes out here, so if anyone needs to get on site, they can just access that very easily without anyone being here. Hey, look, that's a great view from here, isn't it? Check that out. Well, you won't want to be dropping down there. Luckily, we've got fully qualified builders on this project. No one else is allowed in here, so we're fully health and safety compliant. Now, you're probably not expecting this, but this property is gonna get better. Why? Because we've already started work from the up going down. This is gonna be a lovely family size bathroom right here. This is where I'll be sitting when I need to. You get the picture, right? Got a walk-in shower unit here. We're gonna have a concealed unit for the toilet cistern tank. We're gonna be having right here a double sink for his and hers. And look at these windows, guys. Lovely sash windows, but these high windows are going to be letting a lot of light in. Here we're going to be having a family bedroom here. You're gonna have a bed in the middle where we've got lights on either side of the bed. We're gonna have some nice fitted cupboards in here. Check the size of this room out. I can actually run all around here, guys, but look at the amount of space that you have here. We've kept some of these wooden fireplaces because we might want to reuse this to retain the features of this house. Bed's gonna be going here, bedside lights. We're gonna have wardrobes all in here, guys, where this is gonna be a dressing room and you're gonna come straight out to a nice ensuite. We've got the toilet over here, guys. Got a lovely sink coming next door, and the shower unit is going to be coming this side. And again, check out these double doors that we've got going on right here. Yes, we still got another floor to go up. You're not gonna be ready for this room, I'm telling you. Check the size of this out. We're gonna be having a flat screen here on the wall. Also, don't forget what these, drop in the comments if you can already guess and you know what that is. For those of you who don't, this is the air conditioning unit where there's gonna be air regulation coming through the property. You're gonna have a few nice chandeliers coming down, and the owners have sort of chosen just to have spotlight because they don't want it to be too much light in this area. The way we've done this here, because of the roof shape in this loft, so we got a toilet, bathtub and shower coming in this area. And you know what? Because we don't want it to look cramped, we're actually gonna have crystal sized doors coming over here, which means that to create that glass feel, it actually makes it look a lot bigger. We're probably gonna be putting some fitted cupboards over here and fitted cupboards over this way. And just check out the view that you're gonna be getting when you're looking at these windows. 1, 2, 3, 4 sash windows, absolutely amazing. And as I said at the start of this video, guys, if you want to get involved in properties like this, you can. All you got to do is come up with the startup money. We do the build for you. Not only that, we actually sell this deal because we've got end clients, a lot of the communities around here on a waiting list to get involved into properties at this spec. If you're interested, drop me a DM, drop this video a like, and share this with somebody who might need to see this, because there's still a lot of money to be made in the property sector. Follow Sean Lan, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.